Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sassy Unicorn. If you are new to my channel, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can never miss any new video. So today I'm here with a very new and special video, that is say bye bye to acne. अच्छा लग रहा है ना सुनने में कि we are saying bye to our acne problem. हाँ, एक्ने इज़ वेरी कॉमन प्रॉब्लम नाउ डेज स्पेशली इन टीनेजर्स. सो आज हम बात करेंगे सबसे पहले कि एक्ने होते किस वजह से. एक्ने बेसिकली ऑकर्स व्हेन आर ओपन पोर्स ऑफ आवर स्किन गेट्स ब्लॉक्ड बाय द डर्ट, ऑयल और डेड स्किन्स. So the main factors of causing acne are food, dirt, and also stress is also a factor of causing acne indirectly. So as acne mostly occurs in teenagers because of their daily activities, their food habits, they mostly prefer junk food, greasy food in their food or in their diet. So mostly because of that greasy food, acne occurs. Dirt is also a main factor as dirt deposited on our skin and the pore gets. There are some more factors like heredity, some medications or usage of too much of cosmetics. It also may leads to acne. So now we talk about how to get rid of acne. एक्ने बेसिकली जब होते हैं जब हमारे पोर्स ब्लॉक्ड हो जाते हैं डर्ट से, ऑयल से या बिकॉज ऑफ एनी बैक्टीरिया. सो फॉर दिस वी हैव टू वॉश आवर फेस ट्वाइस डेली एंड येस डोंट फॉरगेट टू वॉश योर फेस बिफोर स्लीपिंग. To get rid of acne, also avoid junk, greasy food, and yes, add some green vegetables and juicy fruits to your diet. This also helps to get rid of your acne. And the most important factor to get rid of acne, drink a lot of water daily. This surely helps to get rid of from acne. And yes, avoid usage of makeup when you have pimples on your face. So now there are some natural remedies which can cure acne. So चलते हैं हमारे वीडियो की तरफ.
So for first face pack we require chia seeds, rose water and normal water. First of all we add 1 spoon of chia seeds, then gulab jal, and then 1 spoon normal water. chia seeds बहुत ही जल्दी वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते हैं एंड फ्लफ़ी हो जाते हैं एज यू सी. For acne, chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants and omega fatty acids that reduce acne scars and keep skin radiant and bacteria free. Hence, it prevents acne. So apply this face pack on your face and leave it for 10 minutes and then wash off your face. For second face pack we require rice paste, atta and curd. First of all we take rice paste, then add 1 spoon atta and then 1 spoon curd. Mix it all over. Rice contains antioxidants, amino acids which keeps our skin dirt free and also inhibits growth of the bacteria, and hence it prevents our acne problem. You can use this face pack twice a week. It also enhances your skin tone and make your skin glowy. For third face pack we require tomato pulp, multani mitti and curd. Add all the 3 ingredients and mix it properly and make a paste. As we know, tomato are the source of natural salicylic acid and salicylic acid is the best for acne treatment. So salicylic acid exfoliate our skin and prevent clogged pores, and hence it helps in soothing acne, cure sunburn, as well as it also add glow to our dull skin. For our fourth face pack we require potato juice, besan and turmeric. Add 1 spoon potato juice, some besan and a pinch of turmeric. Mix it properly and apply on your face till it becomes dry. So for acne, potato contains starch which soothe inflammation and absorb oil and hence helps in cleaning the pores which prevent acne. Also, it is used to minimize developing of dark spots by pimples. So for our fifth face pack, we required fennel powder, honey and curd. Mix 1 spoon fennel powder, add 1 spoon honey and 1 spoon curd. Mix it properly and make a paste and apply it to your face till it becomes dry. If you are prone to acne, fennel is the best thing you have been looking for. Its antiseptic property helps to clean the bacteria, reduce inflammation and soothe our skin. So it's very beneficial for our acne.
I hope you all liked my video. Please try this at your home and don't forget to tell your favorite face mask for your acne.
Share this video to your friends and family and also subscribe to my channel. Till then, be safe, be creative, be happy. Bye bye.